Good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coins. Shiba Inu coin Shib was the subject of a startling announcement from the US government earlier today. The previous two sessions' wild price activity for Shiba Inu stands in sharp contrast to today's tranquility. As concerns over Binance's financial stability pervaded the cryptocurrency market on Monday, Shib fell to a dollar value as low as the 0.0000840s. According to Crypto News, the cryptocurrency's price increased along with the market as a whole after the US government reported inflation data that was lower than expected on Tuesday. This has put investors' minds at ease regarding the Federal Reserve's plans to tighten financial conditions in the coming months. Embarrassing remarks made by the US government regarding Shiba Inu coin are discussed in this video. The latest breaking news from Shib magazine. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. Since its low point on Monday, Shib has risen to a high point in the 0.0000930s on Tuesday, an 11% round trip. The technicals for Shib are not promising though, therefore long-term price forecasts are still gloomy. Shiba Inus might reach 0.0001 USD and drop another digit after the decimal point before the year 2022 comes to a close. A further zero was used in October 2021. In the time between now and the end of 2022, broader market price movement is likely to set off such a surge. It is feasible for Shib's one additional zero in 2022 if the market is optimistic. This is due to the fact that Shib's price behavior in October and early November clearly reflects the enormous enthusiasm around the cryptocurrency. Due to the high level of anticipation for Shib's rally, the stock could experience a gain of several thousand% next year due to FOMO. What happens to the market in 2022 will have a significant impact on the Shiba Inu pricing in 2023. It is possible that Shib may benefit from the market's bullish sentiment in 2022 and 2023. But if 2022 isn't a banner year for the market, Shiba Inus might go through a correctional period in 2023. The meteoric rise of the Shiba Inu meme coin and the enormous profits it generated for its holders last year are well known. In an effort to unseat Dogecoin, the original Doge-themed coin, Shib is an Ethereum-based token that has just gone live. Even if the market was red, the project's strong community ensured its survival. There are over 5 billion Shib in circulation, and the market cap is more than $500 trillion. On the other hand, Shiba Inus don't have anything going for them in the cryptocurrency market. People may not be interested in purchasing and using the Shib's token just because it is compatible with the Ethereum network. Not surprisingly, Shib's price has dropped 90% from its all-time high in October 2021, given the lack of genuine competitive advantages in the crypto industry and the declining enthusiasm from the crypto community. Buying in with the expectation that the price will go up again is more like gambling than actual investment, while it's tempting for some investors. SHIB value would be 10 cents if Shiba Inu burned $589 trillion worth of tokens today. Only 661 million SHIB tokens worth around $6,000 each were destroyed in November. It's insignificant. On the basis of token burning alone, the Shiba Inu would not be worth 10 cents for at least 67,000 years, according to Shiba Burn Tracker. According to the Shiburn Twitter account, which stands for a well-known burn monitoring service, an increase of almost 700% has been seen in the burn rate of Shib during the past 24 hours. At the same time, Shib, a popular meme coin, is no longer among the top 10 biggest Ethereum wallets. The Shib Burn website reports that the burn rate for Shiba Inus has increased by an astounding 706% in the last day. This occurred following the transfer of 16,037,016 Shib to wallets in the Inferno network. The largest fire occurred at an address that ended in FFDEAA and involved 8,495,098 Shiba Inu. There will be a total burn of about 100 million meme coins this week for every bit of data shared. According to Willstat's tracker, which compiles information about wallets on many prominent blockchains, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin and others, the Shiba Inu K9 cryptocurrency has vanished from the list of the top 10 assets held by the top 100 whales on Ethereum in the last 24 hours. For the second time in as many weeks, whales have increased their largest holdings to include Mana, Steth, and Ant. They now have 35.59% Mana and 34.21% Steth in their combined portfolio. Despite this, Shiba is still adding thousands of new users every day. The total number of Shiba holders increased by almost 1,000 in the last 24 hours, going from 1,265,003 to 1,266,039 at this moment. The number of Shiba holders also saw significant increases in a single day earlier this week, as reported by You Today. CoinMarketCap reports that in the last 24 hours, the price of Shiba has fallen to $0.00008616 USD, a loss of 3.37%. A possible downturn rise is about to occur in the Shiba Inu price. It appears that the bulls are about to crash. The market is about to undergo a sweep the lows event if current trends continue. As the infamous meme coin continues to consolidate inside a 10% range weekly, the price of Shiba Inu is also showing signs of continuous consolidation. As the 21-day simple moving average crossed over the 8-day exponential moving average on December 13, a bearish cross was observed on the daily chart, with Shiba remaining submerged. On shorter time frames, the $0.0000900 barrier has been refused by the bulls since the signal. Because of the dramatic selling that typically follows the crossing of the slower and faster moving averages, bearish crossings are commonly known as death crosses among traders. At the moment, one Shiba Inu is worth $0.000885 USD. If the market is indeed bearish, there's no need to retest the intersecting indicators again. If the price breaks below the low of $0.000861, which it did on December 13, it can trigger a bear rally that aims to hit the November swing low of $0.000817, resulting in a 7% drop. In the next weeks, Shiba is expected to print new yearly lows if bulls continue to stay sidelined near the November bottom. In order to contemplate pursuing loftier objectives, a bullish attempt at the $0.000932 swing high from December 13 is necessary. Assuming the bulls are successful in turning the resistance level into support, Shiba's price might rise to its all-time high of $0.001055 on November 10. In a positive situation, the price of Shiba Inus would increase by 19%. Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme currency in the world, has made headlines again. On Wednesday, December 14, trading activity increased by 28% and the Shiba price increased by 7%. This occurred following a Twitter profile update by Shiba Inu developer Satoshi Kusama. On the first day, my true love gave to me, Kusama stated in his Twitter bio, from the musical composition The 12 Days of Christmas, which is essentially a verse. Members of the Shiba community have begun deciphering it, and their best guess is that a big update to Shibarium is on the way before Christmas. To ensure that the current Shiba Inu blockchain infrastructure is utilized correctly,